morning. I'm hoping you can hear me over the wind because it is quite windy today. But we are still in Queenstown and we just had breakfast here in the bathhouse and it was very cute and very yummy. So definitely recommend going there. But there's Lake Wakatipu. I remember, there's Lake Wakatipu, and today we are heading out to Glenorchy where we are gonna go on a zip wire trek, which I've done before in the Lake District in England. It was great fun. I'll link that video there so you can go find it. But that's what Alec and I are gonna go do today.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, and then we don't know what we're gonna do after that. So yeah, we're gonna make our way out towards Glenorchy and then go zip wiring in the bush. That away, apparently.
Yep. That's what maps say, so yeah. We'll follow the map and we'll see what happens.
Yeah, exactly. Yay! Yay! Glenorchy, and we are a bit early for our zip wiring, so we are just having a little bit of a wander around the lake, but it is absolutely beautiful. We've got our coats on just because like there's a little bit of a nip in the wind, but it's not like cold. Sorry, yeah, but it is absolutely beautiful, as with most places that we've been to. Because we just read the board. 1962 there was a road built between Queenstown and Glenorchy, which is obviously the one that we drove on today, but otherwise if they hadn't built it we still would have had to get a boat out to here, which actually kind of would be kind of cool, except this end of the lake seems pretty shallow. So they'd have to dredge it.
Out of the 4 boats that were originally used, or the 4 most famous boats, there's only one that's actually still around today, which is the TSS Earnslaw, which you can actually get on at Queenstown. It will take you for a bit of a journey to a farm. I can't remember the name of it, but and then bring you back to Queenstown. If you are ever in Queenstown, I highly recommend it. It is good fun. You get to see it all operational, the steam. It's good bit of history.
Next time we'll do that one.
It's 101 years old.
Yeah. So there you go. So yeah, Glenorchy, we're still killing time until we can go zip wiring.
We've still got an hour to go. Yep. Health and safety paperwork there. Zip wiring. Oh no! Somebody's had an accident on zip wire. Bring ahead to the hospital. We take somebody themselves on a zip wire. Oh no! It's going to be terrible. They have broken limbs. What happened? Oh, they walked into a tree. You gotta be kidding me! So we've just done Harry's Landing. Shout out to our friend Harry. You know, because why not? So we're all kitted out, as you can see. Helmet, gloves, harness, our safety thing that goes onto the yellow rope that you can see there that is he's attached. But yeah, we've done 3 now. I think that was our 3rd one. So we've got 5 to go. So we did the Flying Scot, which was the longest one. It was 201 meters long. I'm not sure what kind of speeds we kind of get up to, but I will get that to you.
There's a mama goat and some kids.
Hi, Mama Goat.
Oh, look at the little one. We're back in the car.
Oh, what a day.
The zip wiring was absolutely awesome.
So much fun.
So
seriously, if you have a choice between the Queenstown and Glenorchy, go to Glenorchy, because even just to have a wander around Glenorchy before you do the zip lining, beautiful. The scenery, the drive out here, take the time to, you know, stop and take photos of the views.
yeah, and yeah, you're in a beautiful lake valley in the bush, and the guys that are doing it are super lovely, and we had some good yarns. It's just so good. Zip wiring, one of my favorite things to do, I think, at this point.
Yeah.
Is up there.
It's really good fun.
Yeah.
Highly
So,
recommend, especially these guys, Paradise Zip Lines.
yeah.
You know, we started by a chemistry teacher of all things.
Yeah.
You know, they've only been operating 3 years, but seriously, the eight beautiful zip lines. Some fast, some short, some go over massive canyons, some go over raging rivers. It's amazing, absolutely amazing.
That's what we've done. We're gonna figure out where we're gonna go for dinner. We're hoping, or we're gonna have a look at going up the luge. There's up the skyline to the buffet, but I'm gonna see if they're actually running today and whatnot, because I think they closed early yesterday because the winds were like ridiculously strong. So that's what we're hoping to do. So we get a bit of a scenery, a look out over
You've seen the view with our beautiful dinner.
Yes, exactly. Without all you can eat, and I just want the chocolate mousse.
Priority.
We're in Queenstown Central again, and we just had dinner at a place called Captain's.
Beautiful food.
It's yummy. We've had good food the entire time, so we've done really well with picking places. And now we're just kind of letting it settle, and then we might get pudding. But we didn't quite get to go up to the Skyline restaurant. It's not open at the moment, so yeah. That was our time in Glenorchy zip wiring. The zip wiring, as expressed in the video, was phenomenal. It was so cool and it was so beautiful, and Glenorchy was stunningly beautiful. I genuinely didn't know what to expect from Glenorchy, but oh, stunning. So pretty. Like Alec said, highly recommend going to Glenorchy and doing the Paradise zip wiring. I will link their website in the description so you can go and check them out and do it. The guys that were running it, a lot of fun, super cool. Yeah, it was really cool. We had an awesome day doing zip wiring in Glenorchy, and then in Queenstown just had dinner and found some people busking on the quayside, I guess, which was really cool and really neatly atmospheric. I will finish this video with some time lapses from our room, from the windows in our room. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please leave any comments and suggestions about other places that I should go and explore while back home in New Zealand. And since we can't go further abroad than New Zealand at the moment, in the comment section, and check out the description for links to Alec's social media, as well as all the places that we stayed and visited and activities, etc. And please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. I'm uploading videos every Saturday, 6 PM New Zealand time. So you definitely want to be here for some more fun New Zealand explorers. And I have a few coming up, don't you worry about that. But yeah, okay, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time, but until then remember to explore all you see, laugh out loud, and be a little weird. Bye!